As we age, staying active becomes more crucial than ever. The right exercises can significantly improve our quality of life, giving us the energy and mobility to enjoy our daily activities without pain or discomfort. Hey, and welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. Let's face it, after 50, our bodies start sending signals we didn't sign up for. A creaky knee here, a mystery back twinge there, and don't even get us started on energy levels. But here's the good news. The right exercises can turn all of that around. No gimmicks, no fluff, just simple, powerful moves that help you build strength, stay lean, and feel like you again. Ready to upgrade your routine? Let's dive in. 1. The plank, like a nap for your abs, but spicier. Ever feel like your belly is plotting against you? It's not always fat. Sometimes your deep abdominal muscles just aren't doing their job, keeping everything in place. Enter the plank, a deceptively chill-looking exercise that lights up your core, glutes, and posture muscles like a Christmas tree. The plank strengthens the deep stabilizers that hold you together, literally. Better posture, less back pain, and improved performance in other exercises are all part of the deal. Start with 3 sets, holding each as long as you can. Aim for at least 20 seconds. Too tough? Try it on your knees first. There's no shame in building smart. Goal: work your way up to 60 seconds or more per set. 2. Burpees, the love-hate relationship you need. If exercise had a jack of all trades, the burpee would win by unanimous vote. Part strength move, part cardio torture device. This full-body scorcher torches fat, boosts endurance, and might just make you question your life choices. Briefly, start slow, focus on form, and skip the jump if needed. But once you've mastered it, the burpee will become your secret weapon. Begin with 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Advance to 15 to 20 reps. Or add a push-up in there if you're feeling spicy. 3. Push-ups, the old school chest shaper. Push-ups are like black coffee, simple, strong, and timeless. They sculpt your chest, arms, shoulders, and even give your core a solid workout. Bonus, they're cardio-friendly too, especially once you string them together in sets. From knee push-ups to clap push-ups, there's always a level that matches where you are and where you're going. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 12. Challenge yourself. Add a weighted vest or elevate your feet. 4. Dead hang, passive but powerful. This one's sneaky, just hang from a bar. Sounds easy, right? But this simple move decompresses your spine, builds grip strength, and wakes up those neglected shoulder muscles. It's perfect for anyone who spends too much time hunched over a desk or a phone. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 20 seconds. Beginner tip: use a resistance band or keep your feet on the ground for support. 5. Squats, the king of lower body strength. You sit, you stand, you squat, whether you know it or not. So why not do it with purpose? Squats target your legs, glutes, and core while improving balance and functional strength. Plus, they burn calories like nobody's business. Body weight, dumbbells, barbell, take your pick. They're all squat-tastic. Try 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. First form, keep your chest up, knees tracking your toes, and sit back like there's an invisible chair. 6. Running in place, cardio, without the commute. Stuck inside? No problem. Running in place boosts your heart rate, burns fat, and gets your blood pumping without even leaving your living room. Think of it as the treadmill's low-maintenance cousin. Add high knees or side steps to make it more interesting and sweaty. Start with 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Ramp it up. Increase speed or duration as your stamina grows. 7. Yoga. Flexibility without the fluff. Think yoga's just for stretchy influencers on Instagram? Think again. Yoga improves flexibility, balance, and strength, and helps your muscles recover faster. Plus, it's great for stress. And let's be honest, midlife comes with plenty of that. You don't need incense or fancy pants, just a mat and a willingness to breathe. Start with 5 minutes of sun salutations. Try poses like downward dog, warrior 1, and mountain pose. Work up to crow or warrior 3 for an extra challenge. 8. Lunges, the secret weapon for strong legs and balance. Lunges are your lower body's best friend. They fire up your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, all while training balance and coordination. They also help even out muscle imbalances, which, let's be honest, we've all got. From stationary to walking lunges, there's a variation for every level. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps per leg. Add challenge. Grab dumbbells or try reverse lunges for knee-friendly gains. Ready to transform? These 8 exercises are your go-to toolkit for staying fit, strong, and energetic well into your 50s and beyond. No fancy equipment, no overcomplicated routines, just effective, practical movements designed for your goals. The key? Consistency. Whether you're getting back into shape or leveling up your routine, start small, track your progress, and build from there. You've got this. Now pick an exercise, set a timer, and start showing Father Time who's boss. Thank you for watching, and feel free to subscribe so you can live a healthy and fulfilling life. Remember, your greatest wealth is your health.